In front of me is Realme GT6 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Notifications and Status bar. Then scroll down to tap on Manage All next to App Notifications. And by tapping on any blue switcher next to one of your apps, you can block all notifications from it. To switch them back on, hit the same, now grey switchers. If you want to sort your apps beforehand, hit Reset under App Notifications and select the best option for you. If you want to, you can also go back and select one of your apps over here. After tapping on it, to block notifications, use this switcher next to Allow Notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!